Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel English Grammar by Kamal Pasha. In today's lecture we will discuss about the poem Try Again, written by W.A. Hickson, and in this lecture I will give you the complete lecture on the poem's theme, summary, short questions and explanation, reference to context. So I hope that it will become very easy for you to understand this poem and its written work. Try again. 'Tis a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we did not win the race. What should you do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keeps this rule in view. Try again. Now, this is the theme of this poem. This poem is a moral lesson for us. In this poem, the poet says, if at first we do not succeed, try again to get your goal. We should not give up our struggle during failure. We should learn from failure. Try again is only the gateway to success. In other words, poet tries to explain the importance of try again in life. Many people get frustrated after failure and give up their struggle. So we can say that try again is the only way to be successful in your life. This is the reference context of an explanation of the first stanza. These lines have been taken from the poem Try Again, written by W.A. Hickson. The poem gives the lesson of try again. If we fail in our first attempt, we should not give up, rather, we should continue working till we succeed. Explanation. Try again is a message that cannot be ignored. We must always pay attention to this message. If due to adverse circumstances we fail in our first effort, we should not be discouraged. Rather, we should make better efforts to reach our goal. We must demonstrate that we have firmness to bear the loss. Then we should come forward with a new spirit. We should be steadfast in our efforts without any fear. If we do so, we will be succeeded. Thus, we should not neglect the lesson, try again. In the next stanza, then again we will write the reference and context. Actually, all the stanzas have the same kind of messages. So if you will write the explanation with some kind of changes a little bit, one or two lines, you can easily write the explanation by following the first stanza, second and third. Okay, so it will become easy for you. You have to learn only one explanation and just you have to change one or two lines, and then you can easily write the reference, context and explanation of the stanzas, because all the stanzas have the same message. So in this stanza the poet says that if you feel you cannot accomplish your task in one effort, make another one with the considerable force. There will be a time when you will enjoy the fruit of your labor. What you need to do is to keep on working. You must know that if all people can do their jobs, you can also do yours. What you need is to be persistent in making efforts. The only thing you must keep in mind is that you should never get disappointed. You just need to continue working till you succeeded. Then again, this is the explanation of your third stanza, the last stanza of the poem. In that, the same message is given to you that you should try again and again. You should have a faith on your attempts, and though we have failed in our preceding efforts, we should not feel discouraged. So, I hope that this will also helpful for you. Then, this is the summary of this poem. Try again. As the message of the poem, we must always keep this message in mind. If due to some adverse circumstances we fail in our first attempt, we should not get disappointed. We must demonstrate that we have nerves to bear the loss. Rather, we should proceed with determined steps and titanic struggle. We must validate that working is not a shameful act. Tremendous efforts will yield sweet fruits. Success and attainment will be the upshot. Thus, we should never ignore the lesson, try again. These are the questions from your exercise, that what is the lesson taught in the first stanza of the poem, try again, and what can we learn from our failures, how is the failure not a disgrace, how many times should we try and why. So these all are short questions from your exercise. What should we do if we find our task hard? The question number 6, the answer depends on your own experience, that what kind of experience you have if you have struggled for something in your life. I hope that you have understand the whole lecture very well. Note down all the explanation that I have given to you, and if you have any kind of query you can comment me. Subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Allah Hafiz.